Thousands of Shopify store owners already started to use these video intros on their stores. If you like the idea or not, these video intros have the capacity of changing the perceived value of your brand. We know the difference between a big brand and a small brand is perceived value. With these video intros, you can change that perceived value. And if you're worrying about the performance of your store, I'm here to tell you that with the method I'm going to show you, the performance of your store won't be affected at all. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a video intro on your Shopify store and how to cut files and to add them to the section that I'm going to talk about in this tutorial. So if you want to change the perceived value of your brand and of your store, let's jump right into the tutorial. So let's say you have a Shopify store and you want to install an intro video over it so that you can create that nice effect and maybe impress some of your customers. All you will have to do is go in the description of this video where I placed a link to the section that I'm going to talk about in a second. With that link, you're going to get a zip file, which will look something like this. And inside, you're going to find an HTML file that you can open up. And you're gonna have the tutorial in front of you and you'll know exactly what to do. So first you're gonna go in, you're gonna read these instructions, and then you're gonna get to this code, which you're gonna copy. So you're gonna select everything inside this box and you are going to copy everything. And once you have that copied, you're gonna head to your store. And if you want to test this out, you don't want to publish it directly to your visitors, to your customers, you're gonna make a copy of your live theme and you're gonna test on the copy theme. But because this is just a test store, I'm just gonna install it here on the live theme. So I'm gonna go to these three dots and I'm going to click on edit code, and inside here in the code editor, I'm gonna close everything up if they are open, these tabs, and I'm going to open the snippets tab, and in there I'm going to click on new snippet and I'm going to name it video intro, and I'm going to just hit done. And inside the newly created snippet, I'm going to paste the code that I've just copied from that HTML file, the tutorial file. So after hitting save, I'm gonna go back to my tutorial file and I'm gonna scroll down below at point 4 and I'm going to copy everything that is in this box here. And once I've done that, I'm gonna head back to my store and I'm gonna search in here for settings. And in here, you want to go to settings schema, not the settings data file. Open the settings schema JSON. And in here, you're gonna have at the top the name of your theme and the details about your theme. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go at the end of this curly bracket. So where you have the comma there, and you're gonna enter and you're gonna paste whatever you copied from the tutorial file. Then you're gonna save and go back to the tutorial file where you're gonna find this last small snippet, which you're gonna copy. And going back to the code editor, we're gonna go to theme and open this theme.liquid file in which you can paste this code that you just copied. And inside the head tag, you're going to paste the snippet like that. And you're gonna save, and placing this snippet at the top of the head tag will ensure that the video intro will load fast. Once you've done that, you can already go and customize your theme. So you can go to these three dots here and click on customize theme. Once the customizer open, you can go to the settings section right here, and you're gonna see that you have at the top here a video intro tab. You're gonna open that up. And inside you're gonna have all the settings you need. So first of all, we're gonna have the audio file, which is gonna go here. Then the desktop video file, which is gonna go here. Mobile video file, which is gonna go here. You can set the volume of the audio file once the video gets played. And at the bottom here, we have the skip intro button. If you want to have a skip intro button on the page, you just leave this on, or you can change the text. If you don't want to have a skip video button, you can just erase the text and then the skip video button will disappear, and you can change the color of the skip video button. Now, in order to populate these files here, we have to upload them to our Shopify store. And to do that, I'm gonna go to my Shopify store's dashboard. And in here, I'm gonna upload the three files that are needed for this section: the audio file, the desktop video file, and the mobile video file. So I'm gonna go to files and I'm going to upload files, and I'm going to select them all. They will be uploaded directly. As you can see, we have a desktop video file of 6 seconds, mobile 6 seconds, and the audio file has 7 seconds. I'm gonna upload them, and once the files are uploaded, I can go and I can copy the links. So I'm gonna get the link for the audio file first. I'm gonna copy it, and I'm gonna go back to the customizer. Inside the customizer, I can go and I can paste it in there. So it's background audio. I'm gonna paste the link in there, and I'm going to select it. Then I'm gonna go back to my files, and I'm going to get the desktop video file, and I'm gonna go to desktop video, and I'm going to add the link there, and I'm gonna select it like that. Then I'm gonna go back, and I'm gonna get the intro video mobile file, and I'm gonna paste it in the field, and I'm going to select it. And as you can see, we already have the intro on the page here. So if you want to adjust this once as well, you can go and do that. Once you're done, just save. And once you do that, you're going to display this video intro on top of your store. So if I go and I view my store now, I'm going to see that video intro. Now I'm going to explain you how this video intro works. If I go and I click on the video right now, it's going to play, and at the end I'm going to see the store. If I go and I click skip, the video will skip, and I'm going to see the store instantly. If I'm going to wait a little bit so I don't do anything on the store, at one point the video will disappear by its own without me interacting with it. And this is meant as a safeguard in case the customer doesn't do anything on the page will show after a couple of seconds anyways. So I'm going to go in a new session, and I'm going to show you how the video would play, because this will play only once per session. And once per session means that the customer will only see that video once when they land on the page, and then when they switch pages, they won't see that video again. And in order for them to see it again, they would need to open the website in a new tab or in a new session. So I'm going to close it down, and I'm going to open again. And in this new session, I'm going to see the intro video. And if I click on enter now, the video will play. And if I go again in a new session and I click on the video plays. And then at the end, I get the store, which I think looks awesome. Now I have the video intro section installed on my store, but I'm pretty sure that you're asking yourself, how can you get video files that look like this? This is a 3D video created with Blender. And in order to get a 3D video like this, you will probably need to go to Upwork or Fiverr and hire someone to create something that suits your brand. A video that includes your product maybe. I know that's a little bit of a headache, but if you like this 3D look and you want to maybe include your product in this video, you can go ahead and hire someone to create a custom video for you. But if you don't want to go through that hustle, we can actually create a normal video and add this enter text in the beginning. You can use a video that you maybe already have that includes your product, or maybe includes influencers that you worked with. We can use that video for our intro video. So I'm going to show you how you can find a video and cut it up to use it in this section that we just talked about. And for that, I'm going to head to Pexels, which is a website that offers royalty-free videos. And in here, I search for man fashion, because this is the category my Shopify store sells. And I'm going to look for videos that can become this intro video, like maybe this one over here. I can write here enter, and whenever the customer plays the video, he sees this young people running. Then the video fades out and the store shows up. But I can go ahead and look for different videos as well. You have a lot of options in here. Just search for something that fits the mood of your store, fits the mood of your product, and you can use these videos, like this guy dancing over here. You can use these videos as intro videos for your store. And again, if you have videos that contain your product, you can go ahead and look through them and find a video that can become your intro video. But for this example, I'm just going to go and I'm going to download this video, and I'm just going to save it on my computer. And I'm going to open that up with CapCut. And as you can see, I'm using the free CapCut. I don't have a pro plan. I'm going to just import the files in here. So I'm going to start with this file in the beginning, and I'm going to end at the 7-second mark because we need 7 seconds. And I'm going to just look at it and end it at 7 or 6 seconds. right over here. So this would be the 6th second. Maybe I can make it like that. Yes, now it looks fine. And in the beginning here, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna add that enter word. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna add a new text over this video, and I'm gonna just have it in the beginning right here. And I'm gonna change the font to something else. You're just gonna find a font type that you like, and you are going to center the text. So whenever the customer clicks on the video gets played and the enter word will disappear. If you want, you can go ahead and fade this out. You're gonna select the text here, and then you can go here to animations and find in here an effect that you like and it's free, like this one over here, which is fade out. And you can adjust the timing, so you can make it a really quick fade out at the end. So whenever your customer will click on the video, they will see this, they will see the enter disappearing, and then this young people running. And at the end, they will see this video fading out and the store showing up. And when you're done, you're gonna go to export, and in here you're gonna have the settings which will ensure the video is good quality but still compressed. Inside the tutorial, you're gonna have the file sizings that you need. So if you scroll at the bottom, you're gonna have here the size that we need. So this is full HD, and this is for mobile, this is the codec, and this is the format. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna change the 4K here into 1080p. This will ensure that the file is not too large. And after doing that, we are going to just export this. So make sure that you export in the right folder and then click export. So here's the desktop version of the video. I'm going to just rename it. And now I'm going to go and I'm going to change the ratio because I want to export for mobile. And I'm going to go here to 9:16. And I'm gonna adjust the video to look good on this screen. So in order to do that, I will have to scale the video. I'm gonna scale it just as much as I need, not more, something like that. And now whenever people will click on enter, they're gonna see something like this. It's something similar, but the cropping is different. So I'm gonna go and I'm going to export this as well. I'm gonna click on export. And I'm going to leave this on 1080p and export in the right folder, of course. Now, once that's done, I have it here. I'm gonna rename it into mobile intro. And this is how it looks like. So people will click enter and they will see this intro. And now I have this audio file. You can go ahead and research and find an audio file that fits your mood, fits your brand, and so on. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna slice 7 seconds out of this one that I think works fine with my mood. And in order to do that, I'm gonna use this website over here. I'm gonna open that in this editor and I'm gonna be able to hear it. So I'm going to select 7 seconds out of this. Make sure that these 7 seconds are representative. I'm going to take 7 seconds from the beginning. Let's see if that sounds good. So it's going to sound something like this. I think this will work with the running scene. Just make sure that you have 7 seconds at the bottom here. And when you're done, you're going to click on save. I'm just going to name it intro and I'm going to save that. And with these files, I'm going to go back to my store and I'm going to upload them here. I'm going to upload files and select the ones that I want. So I want the audio file and I want the desktop intro and the mobile intro. I'm going to upload them to my store. Once that's done, I'm going to copy their links. So I'm going to take the audio file first and I'm going to go to the customizer. Inside here, I'm going to just paste the new link for the new file and I'm going to select it. Then I'm going to do the same with the others. So mobile intro, and I'm gonna go to mobile here, remove the old link, add the new one, and do the same with the desktop intro and replace it there. And now I'm going to just save the changes. Now if I go and I preview my store, I'm gonna have this new video. Let's see how that looks like. So whenever you land on this store, this is what you're gonna see. If you click on the screen, then you're gonna see the video. And if the music and the video fit the mood of your store, I think this can be a real plus. And this is how it's gonna look on mobile. You can make the video a little bit shorter if you think this is too long, but I think this is a nice way to set the mood. And again, if you're thinking about performance, this section does not influence your performance at all. And that is because the code is actually testing to see the internet connection of your user. And if your user is on 3G or 2G or a slow internet connection, so the video intro section won't show at all if the connection of your user is slow. Okay, now that you know how to add a video intro to your store, if you want to edit and customize the Dawn theme to look like the example I just used in the video, and maybe add a video section as well to increase the visual impact, you want to watch this video next, click it and I'll see you there, and I'm gonna show you everything you need to know.